Good morning students. Welcome back in the online class of social studies. Today we will continue the same lesson number 30, climate and vegetation. In the previous video I have taught to you about the climate, arid, semi-arid climates. Okay. Today we will know about natural vegetation, where which type of vegetation found due to the difference in climate. Okay. So first we will know about mountain forest or mountain forest. Second, deciduous forest. Third one, tidal forest. Fourth one, tropical evergreen forest. And fifth one, thorn and scrub. Okay. Now we will see in the map of India where these type of forests are found. Student, see, thorn and scrub forest are found here in this region, in western and here. Okay, this whatever is showing with yellow color, it is thorn and scrub. Deciduous forest is this light green, whatever portion is light green color, it is deciduous forest. Mountain forest found here in the north and here in the east. Okay. Tropical evergreen are found where it is the areas which get a large quantity of rainfall. Okay. Tidal forest found where rivers meet with ocean. Okay. Students, first we will know about the mountain forest or mountain forest. Okay. Mountain forests are found in the greater Himalayas and parts of Nilgiri hills. The trees in these forests have pointed needle-shaped leaves so that snow does not collect on them. Okay. They also bear cones, means these plants or trees have cones. That's why they are also known as coniferous forests. The most common trees found here are chinar, deodar and fir. These are the most common trees found in the forest or in coniferous forest. These trees have soft wood which is used for making paper. Okay. The type of wood, they have soft wood which is used for making paper. Also known as mountain forest, as I told you. Okay. The trees found in western part are broad leaves like oak and walnut. The eastern part receives heavy rainfall and the vegetation here is lush and green. The term natural vegetation means those plants and trees which grow naturally in an area. Okay, without any human effort. They are known as natural plants and vegetation. The area acts as the natural habitat for these plants. India's natural vegetation includes these 5 types of forest. Okay. The eastern part receives heavy rainfall and the vegetation here is lush and green. Lush and green means quite green, healthy. Some of the trees found here in this region are fern and bamboo. Okay. Fern and bamboos are found here in large quantity. Lush means full of greenery. Tall, cone-shaped coniferous trees with needle-like leaves are also found in higher regions of the Himalayas, as I told you. As you can see in the given picture on page number 115, needle-like leaves of the pine tree. Okay. These forests are found in Jammu and Kashmir, regions of the Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Common trees found here, already I told you. Let's see once again. Cheed, Deodar, Fir, Oak, Maple, Pine and Spruce are found in the higher region. Spruce is also a kind of tree. Pine forests are found on the steep, dry slope of the Shivalik hills. Steep slope means sudden slope. Top mountains are high peaks of the mountains are having steep slopes. Okay, these forests are found on the dry slopes of the Shivalik hills, western and central Himalayas, and Khashi, Naga and Manipur hills. Means these forests are found only in hilly area. That's why they are also named as mountain forest or mountain forest. Okay. Alpine forests are found in the regions where there is heavy snowfall. Means those forests which are found in heavy snowfall region, they are known as alpine forest. Most alpines are found all along the Himalayas and on the higher hills near the Myanmar border. Okay, students, today we learned about the natural vegetation and the areas where these type of mountain forests found. Okay, in the next video we will study about deciduous forest. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.